Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am doing a live recap. So I was live on TikTok making these strawberry cheesecake cookies, you guys, and they are so good. And as always, the link is down below. So first I get started by setting everything up. So I break out my bowl, my pans, my gloves and everything. And of course I had to go and wash my hands again. Because anytime I touch anything besides the bakingware, I go and wash my hands, whether I'm wearing gloves or not. So then I prepare the pans by adding parchment paper to each pan. I do like to use these because it makes it easier to clean. And also reusable, because I was making 2 dozen of these cookies, so I was only able to get not even a full dozen in the oven at a time. I was only able to get 10 in the oven at a time because y'all, they some big cookies, okay? They are some really big cookies. Okay, so my dough, I pre-made it. So I had already made my dough yesterday, and I like to let it sit overnight in the fridge because that way the flavor really takes its course and it gives that butter time as well. So I weigh each dough ball. All of my cookies are 3 ounces. So I'm weighing it up on this parchment paper. Makes the scale easier to clean and also keeps them from being contaminated with anything. Although I do clean the scale each and every time I use it, even after this, I am going to clean it. So again, I was on TikTok live, so when you see me talking, I'm either talking to one of my kids because this was early in the morning and they were getting ready for school, and trying to eat leftovers before they got ready for school. And I'm also talking to the people that's coming into my room asking questions about the cookies or whatnot. So I cut a lot out because this video was over an hour and a half long. Y'all, we was vibing, we was jamming to some R&B and doing our thing. So once I'm done rolling the cookies, I wash my hands again. These are the first batch that came out the oven. To make sure that they are all the perfect shape, I do use a cookie cutter and just like swivel around it while the cookies are hot. And y'all, this is the first dozen before all the extra goodness. So this is some cheesecake icing that I am drizzling all over the top. And when I tell y'all, this icing is so good, so good. Cheesecake icing, okay? Keep that in mind. And anyway, now this is some crumble. Now I do I make my own crumble, and I'll leave a link for that below as well because I did make a video. And then I also am using some freeze-dried strawberries that I crunched up into the crumble. And the ones that didn't make it with these sprinkles, I added this separate. And then I drizzled some white chocolate on top. And you guys, these are the cookies. And again, they are so delicious. The link is down below. We do have other cookies as well. Come and support our small business and do your cookie review. Also, join my TikTok so that you can catch my next live baking and just vibing, okay? And I will catch y'all in the next one. See you later. Deuces.